Listen here, how to draw a normal graph. Okay, in normal graph, let us draw two lines. So this one line is x-axis. Here one line, this is x-axis, and one line, and this another line is y-axis. Okay, these are the both two lines. In x-axis, you can consider our wish either voltage, current. Okay, voltage, current, time period. In y-axis is also same. X-axis voltage or current and time period according to our wish. Based on our interest, we can consider either x-axis, you consider voltage, current and power. The same manner in y-axis also you consider voltage, current and time period. So in our coming to for a normal example here, for example I will explain here. Let us here we will discuss in a PN junction readings in our electronics device. PN junction readings let us discuss. So with here in electronic device in PN junction in x-axis, in x-axis here we can consider time period. Okay, time period. Here we can consider the time period in x-axis. Okay, units are milliseconds or seconds based on our readings. Okay, so in x-axis we can consider time period. In y-axis here we can consider voltage. Okay, our units are volts. Okay, voltage, what is the units? Volts. Okay, so now what is our readings? So here, so we can the graph drawn between here, this is a VI characteristics graph. PN junction VI characteristics, PN junction VI characteristics graph. So that's why here we are having total how many parameters? Two parameters, voltage and current. So here what is our eligibility? Also two lines, I mean one is x-axis and y-axis. That's why the two parameters. So one parameter is drawn in x-axis, another parameter should draw in y-axis. So here we can consider voltage. Voltage I will take in x-axis. Voltage I will consider in x-axis. Voltage, or I can represent it volts. Voltage representation, voltage units are units. I mean volts. So in y-axis I will consider current. So that means I will represent it milliamperes. Why? Because our readings are in milliamperes. MA. Our readings are milliamperes. That's why I will the graph. I mean I will draw a graph in between VF. VF means forward voltage. Here we are having total two parameters, voltage and current. I will draw a graph in between VF, forward voltage, and current IF. Current IF in milliamperes. So what is our readings here? See, total how many readings we are having? See here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 readings are available here. Okay. Based on our readings, let us. So here we can consider only forward current, forward voltage and forward current. So this is a forward voltage, and this is a forward current. So total we are required. I mean we can available 7 readings. In that 7 readings, so total how many points? 0.3 to 0.7, 0.3 to 0.7. That's why, so let us consider each unit to 0.11. Okay, why? Because this is a 0.3. Total we can get the total 10 readings. Okay, na? So why? Because this is a very less readings only. That's why in every unit let us consider 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. Highest is 0.73. That's why you can consider another reading also 0.8. This is a 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Like that you first of all represented on the graph. So okay, this is a clear. Next, total how many readings here? See here. Here also same 7 readings, 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 means 0 to 4 here. That's why you can consider here in 1 unit 0.5. Why? Because highest readings na. Let us decide our wish. Okay, this is a work for 1 unit. You can consider 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. So based on readings, our own interest we can represent it. Okay, this is a 0.7. Okay, according to our interest. This is a next one 4.17. That's why you can consider another readings 4.5. Okay, 4.5. This is a representation. And also everyone mention in scale. This is a very important to the graph. So in x-axis we are having totally two axes, x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis, on x-axis 1 unit. 1 unit means 1 block. Complete 1 block. How to represent it here? 1.1 volts. That's why you write down here on x-axis 1 unit is equal to 0.1 volts. This is a volts representation, voltage. That's why in x-axis 1 unit is equal to 0.1 volts. On y-axis 1 unit is equal to what? ఎంత ఉందని ఇక్కడ కరెంట్ 0.5 milliamperes. This is a very important to the graph. Okay, and next see here, what is our VF voltage here? 0.36. So this is a 0.3. 6 means 0.5, 0.6. In complete box we are having totally 10 lines. Okay, can understand? Count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Complete one box, total 10 lines available. Our reading is a 0.36. 0.36 means this is a 0.5 and 0.6. At the 0.36, what is our reading? 0.05. 0.05 means almost in the same line. 0.05 means almost that is a 0 only. That's why you can consider the little bit upper than this line. Okay, almost that is a 0 also. Next, this is a 0.56. Where is our point? This is a 0.5 and 0.55. This is a 0.55. This is a 0.6. Next line is a 6. 0.56. So what is the current here? 1. See here in the same, in above you can mention what is the current here. This is the second line is a current. 0.03 means almost 1.03 means almost same. Okay, and here you mention, must and should you mention in that particular point in x comma y. X comma y means in x-axis means what is the voltage here? X-axis, what is the voltage? Point, see here 0.56 comma in y-axis what is the current? 1.03. This is a very important. Two parameters also very important, x and y. Why? Because when we see this graph, we can easily understand particular point. In that particular point, what is the current and what is the voltage? Based on our that particular point, we can easily draw a graph also, and we can easily understand what is at particular point what is the current and what is the voltage. And next, 0.6. See, this is a 0.6. See here, Monaco. We will do a little bit mistake. This is a 0.6. Please give me a eraser. Stop. Next point. So 0.56 is over. That is a 0.56. This is the dot. And next 0.6. So 0.6. This is a 0.6. Next 2.06. So in exact same line, where is the current here? 2.6 means a little bit upper than this line. Okay. See, again you write down the same x-axis and y-axis. What is x-axis here? 0.6. Y-axis you write down 2.06 in the same manner like this. Next, 0.62. This is a 0.61, 6.1, 6.2. The same 6.2. So your current is 2.99. This is a 2.5 and 2.99. See here, this is a 6.2 line. This is a see here we can represent 2.9. 2.9 means each. So this is a 0.5 line. So that's why each line represented only 0.22. I mean, so here our complete block, see here in 2 lines represented 0.1 only. Why? Because here we can consider each unit 0.5. See here, what is that? One complete block is a 0.5. Total in blocks 10 lines is there. Here one complete blocks is 0.5 only. That's why each line represented 0.2 lines. Each 2 lines represented 0.1 only. Okay? Each 2 lines represented 0.1. Why? Because 10 lines are 0.5. At the time 2 lines means 0.1 only. Okay na? 2 lines into 0.5 means total 10 lines. Total manaki 10 lines available. Okay na? 10 by 2 means, so 10 10 by 2 means 5. So each line we can represent it, okay, 2.2 0.1 only. So that's why here in 6.2, so this is a 2.5 and 2 lines, again 2 lines, again 2 lines are 0.6. see here 2.7, 0.7 and 2.8 and 2.9. see here in 6.2 this is a 2.9. see here below 2 lines, in 3 below 2 lines, that is a 2.9. 2.99 means that is just almost 3. Almost, see here reading 2.99, almost nearby value here. The next reading is a 6.5. this is 6.5. okay na? And next 3.54. this is a 3.5. 3.54 means 2 lines is a 1 below. 3.54 means this is the 5. 3.5, 54 means the same axis. Next 6.8. 6.8 means the 6, 6.5 and 6 and 8. In third line, each line 1 1 1 2 3. In third line 1 2 3. Here you can mention, here observe 1 2 3 6.8. this is a 6.8, but we required current 4 means this is a 4 in 6 point line 1 2 3 4 like that. So after completion of all representation, see here just join this total dots. see this is total 0 0 and current here also 0 and 0.5 also 0. Then after 0.56, here 0.56 current is 1. see here 0.56 0.56 here. see join all the dots like this. So this is our, see here same our model graph. okay, same our model graph. This is a PN junction forward bias. So you go and mention here forward bias. okay, forward bias graph. okay, this is a forward bias. In the same manner you write down the reverse bias also.